Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today I want to talk about a tutorial TUT USDT trading pair with my custom set indentation accumulation pump model. Let's dive in, guys. Take a look. This is the chart from BitGet, daily time frame indentation accumulation pump model. So, guys, all targets still relevant. This is a first zone of interest. This one, how to work with this zones, how to work with this model. Highly recommend you go and check free educational video. So this is the first zone of interest. This is the second one, the best one. So this on BNB chain. So I guess the Binance can they already pump it, but they will support this project because it's on BNB chain. So now it's a pretty low cap token. It's a meme token on BNB. So you remember, if you've been here on the market since 2021 to 2020, there was the hype on BNB and Ethereum chain meme sector. Now everybody forgot about the BNB, focus on Sol meme sector. But I guess the BNB and Binance will try to join in again and lead the market with meme coins again. So this is a pretty low cap token, definitely. So it's 90% tokens already in circulation supply, 1 billion tokens maximum supply. So basically market cap not only 23 million, and imagine market cap 23 million, and this token listed almost on all major exchanges. And this is how the chart looks like. So we can close the crypto rank. First of all, what you have to know, this is actual highs and this is all-time high. So I'm more than sure sooner or later we will hit over the 6 cents target. So this is on a BitGet since March 18. And of course, it's kind of weird, but this was a listing. This candle was just a listing on a Binance, but we not hit the new all-time high. This is example. When we build the order flow, you can find this pattern, this price action model on 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, weekly time frame. So a lot of example when we build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles in a row down. So slowly but surely going down. And after that, down. We sometimes close the 50% of this move or almost full of this price movement. After that, we're going down again. So zone of interest, it's 1 cent 45, 1 cent 18, 0.2079, 0.2062. So this is a zone of interest. Time to fix some profit will be 27 block. This block where we need to fix some profit. And of course, new all-time high and the target. So for example, guys, is it possible that this token can hit 1 billion market capitalization? Basically, yes. Guys, everything possible in crypto. It just depends of marketing, depends of hype. So the logic is you can buy here, for example, fix the profit, withdraw initial deposit here, and write to the moon. You know, if you believe in this meme coin, if you believe in BNB chain meme sector, you can wait it. But you avoid any losses, right? And reduce some expectations. So here, invalidation of this idea if the token dump on the listing price. So at this point, for limit orders, you can accumulate based on your money management and accumulate this token if you believe in it. Because guys, don't be trapped with that story. You have to do your research, you know, something about a meme token. Guys, it's just a meme token. What research do you want to try to do? Right. So this is it. Let's check with indicator set what's going on now with the whales and daily time frame. This is accumulation. Accumulation is a good one. It's not necessary, guys. So the token will dump to the zone of interest. So it's just this model. So there is some models which with 100% win rate strategy, right? In the price section. No one. That's why we just work with possibilities. Maybe we'll not drop to this area. That's why it's, if you're comfortable accumulate this token at 2 cents 56 at 23 million market capitalization, you can accumulate even now. This is still a FRIA zone on direction, no signals. 12 time frame here is still a FRIA. This is ADZ accumulation, and I think we can form a divergence on a daily. This is a FRIA, and this is not at the bottom on the direction indicator. So I better skip this token for now. And if you want, you can accumulate later. You know, but of course, up to your own risk. No accumulation on 12 time frame, no money inflow on money power indicator, nothing. Trade on. Also, guys, there is no signals to buy or sell. basically nothing. 4 hour time frame, it was a sell, drop, no take profit signal, no buy signal, nothing. Only sell, recommendation buy back, bounce, no take profit. So need to wait the take profit signal from that short. So everything okay. And last indicator, guys, it's take profit indicator. 4 hour time frame is 210.09. 12 hour time frame, there's no data. No data. 1 hour time frame, guys, buy line, it's 210.38. Fundamental wall of the socket 110.76. So pretty simple. Take profit line, guys, it's 410.16. Exit line on 4 hour time frame of 410.67. Of course, I wish to see with this Trump wars, trade wars, you know, with tariffs, with all this story, I wish to see that drop. BTC dominance going to 63%, and after that, the money slowly but surely will outflow from the BTC into altcoin sector, and maybe April, May, we will see some money inflow into alts. Maybe we'll see. So guys, all targets I showed you. If you want to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.